If you've been thinking of starting a dropshipping business, then 2026 is the year to do it. The tools are smarter, the process is faster, and honestly, the excuses, they just don't hold up anymore.
You got me.
So in this video, I'm gonna break down exactly why you need to start a store using AutoDS as your business partner. So that way you can find winning products, build your Shopify store with AI, automate your pricing, your fulfillment, and even mix in some customization with print on demand. So with that, let's just go right into it. All right, here's the truth. Most people fail at dropshipping because they're doing everything manually. They spend hours chasing suppliers, fixing listings, updating prices, and answering the same exact customer emails over and over. And honestly, it's exhausting. Automation changes that completely. Think of AutoDS as your store's autopilot.
A tool called AutoDS, which is kind of like the autopilot system on a plane. It imports trending products, updates pricing and images, and even ships orders directly to your customers. This means you don't have to touch inventory, package anything, or deal with supplier negotiations. You focus on driving traffic and making sales while the system handles the rest.
And remember, if you want to try out AutoDS, you can check us out for the trial period of 2 weeks for just $1 to help get you started. Once you set it up, it runs 24/7, updating your stock, fulfilling your orders, and optimizing your prices while you focus on your marketing and building your brand. That's the difference between a side hustle that burns you out and an actual business that grows on its own. All right, let's go ahead and just get started with the foundation, which is the product. Everyone says, find a winning product, but nobody tells you how to do it efficiently. That's why AutoDS created the Handpicked Products Hub. It's a live library of trending items that are already proven to sell, sourced from professional and expert dropshippers.
But one of the key ways that you can use it is when it comes to finding a product and an ideal supplier to use.
Every product in there has data behind it. Profit margins, shipping times, supplier ratings, even social proof. You can filter by niche, price, or profit and instantly see what's working right now. It removes literally all of the guesswork. Instead of wasting hours scrolling through TikTok or even AliExpress, you can find something that's already converting and get it into your store in just a few minutes with just a couple of clicks. Now, before we move any further, if you're enjoying this kind of content, or if you want to learn more about dropshipping or e-commerce overall, then make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. Now, once you have your product, the next step is building your store. And this is where most beginners also get stuck because people don't know how to design. Choosing the themes, the layouts, the colors, the descriptions, it feels endless. But now AutoDS can literally build your store for you from scratch. The AI store builder takes care of literally everything. Your homepage, your product pages, your legal pages, your descriptions, and even includes hand-picked and winning products right from the start. You just choose your niche, let's say pets, fitness, or home goods, let's say, and the system loads your store with matching products that are ready to sell. And it connects directly with your Shopify to install the new theme. So you don't need to code, you don't need to design, and you really don't need to worry about any structure. You end up with a clean, professional store that looks like you've been doing this for years. Just make sure to make a couple of tweaks to make it personal. Now, if you're creative or if you want to sell custom products, AutoDS also supports print on demand. That means that you can offer your own designs on things like t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or even home decor. And of course, no inventory required. Everything still runs through the same dashboard, the same automation, and the same fulfillment system. It's one platform that handles both your dropshipping and your custom products all in one place. Now, once you've picked your product, you'll need a supplier. But again, AutoDS makes that simple for you.
If you already know what AutoDS is, AutoDS doesn't just help you with finding winning products on your TikTok shop, they're gonna actually automate your entire TikTok shop. And they have the fastest shipping times on the market. They have a huge library of products with real data to support what you should be selling and what not.
AutoDS is its own supplier. We have a private supplier and warehouse that can take care of all of your products with quick shipping and high quality products. So that way you don't have to worry about lower grade products or any negative customer feedback. And we're fully transparent with everything. You're gonna see the different price comparisons. You're gonna see the shipping times, and you're gonna see how many products of that same type have been sold all in that one dashboard. And if it's for you, all you do is click on import draft and AutoDS copies everything. The product title, the description, the variations, and all of the images straight to your store. It even lets you rewrite the title or description using AI to make it a bit more engaging, funny, or even professional, depending on your brand voice. Now, what used to take hours now literally takes less than 2 minutes. This is what makes it possible to test multiple products fast and actually find your winner before the trend dies. Now, your store is live. Here's where most beginners start to fall apart. They forget to monitor supplier prices and inventory. One day, the cost goes up. As we know, everything's been going up lately. Or simply, the product just goes out of stock. And suddenly, they're losing money or refunding customers because they're selling products that they don't have on hand. AutoDS prevents all of that automatically. It tracks every product in your store and it syncs it with the supplier in real time. If the supplier raises the price, your store adjusts instantly. If the item sells out, AutoDS hides it from your site. You can even set custom profit rules, like always keep 25% margin, or if you make a certain amount of sales within a certain time period, increase it by 10%. There's no more spreadsheet headaches. There's no more refund chaos. Just smooth, automated pricing and stock control. Now, this starts to lead where the magic happens. Every time that a customer places an order on your Shopify store, AutoDS can automatically send that order to your supplier. It fills in the customer details, it pays for the order, and it tracks the shipment. And on top of that, it sends the tracking number back to your Shopify so your customer and yourself are updated. You don't literally need to lift a finger. You can wake up one day, check your dashboard, and see that new sales have already been fulfilled that you didn't even know about that came through overnight. That's the kind of freedom that automation brings. Your store keeps running while you sleep, while you work, or while you take a break.
AutoDS is how you're going to be able to automate this entire system. AutoDS will automate your TikTok shop. So once you start getting sales, your product supplier will ship your product straight to the buyer without you having to do anything extra on your end. You are able to set this up fully right here through AutoDS.
Now, once your systems are in place, it's all about scaling. Use the time you save to test new niches, launch new ads, or add complementary products, because AutoDS handles all of the repetitive stuff. You can focus entirely on strategy and creativity. That's how you build a real e-commerce business. Not just one lucky product that you hit one day, but a structure that can grow month after month without having you burn out. Now, the final step is going to be traffic. You can start with paid ads like TikTok or Google Shopping, or combine them with organic content to build your brand long term. Your product pages are already optimized through AutoDS. And if you want to create a brand new product page for a brand new product, AutoDS has the option for you to do that as well. So whether the traffic comes from ads or social media, all the pages are built to convert. Remember that automation handles the back end, but your creativity is what's going to bring the customers in. So if you enjoyed this video, if you want to learn more about dropshipping, then please make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. With that, my name is Mario with AutoDS. Hopefully this video came in clutch for you, and catch y'all next time.